Want to speak real Japanese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at JapanesePod101.com.
Hi guys! Welcome to JapanesePod101.com. This is Hiroka. So today I'm going to talk about Okagesamade. This phrase is used in so many situations. Maybe you have heard these phrases before, or you will maybe hear about these phrases in the future. Maybe if you're in Japan. So it's really like a common phrases for us. So first, what's the meaning of Okagesamade? When Japanese say this phrase, they would like to tell you appreciation, like because of your effort. So I really appreciate like that. You can use to your friend, or like you can use also like an older person, and then you can also like use in the like a business situation also. I'll give you the origin of this phrase. In the old days, so like kage means like a shadow. So like people in the old era thought like the God, like the power of God is like a shadow. So we can't see the power, but we can feel. In the current era, it becomes like a gradually changed, and then now we can say this phrase when you would like to mention your appreciation to the other person. So like a thanks to you, or like a because of your effort, I really appreciate, like that. So I'll give you some example, and then at last you get the point of this phrase, and then you can easily use this phrase. Okay, so let's get started. In the hospital. みおちゃんだね。こんにちは。病気は良くなったかな？先生もおかげさまでみおはだいぶ良くなりまして、本当にありがとうございました。So I asked the mother, like, it's been a while, Mio-chan. You already like get better? And then Mio-chan's mother answered, おかげさまで良くなりました。So it means thanks to you, like because of your effort, Mio get already like got better. Thank you very much, doctor. Like that. And then, as you said before, this phrase can be used in the business situation. So, for example, like when you talk with your like a customer, like customer did something to your company or like to you. So like the company can become like it can make a benefits or something, and then you would like to like express your appreciation to the company, and then when you call the person in that customer, like in that company. お世話になっております。私、大泉と申しますけれども、A社のどうも。おかげさまでこちらも利益が上がりまして本当にありがとうございました。いやとんでもないです。Maybe you can understand like this phrase, like when Japanese use this phrase, we would like to like express the appreciation to the other person. Okay, so I'll give you the questions, like quizzes. So おかげさまで can be used in a business situation. True or false? Okay guys, if you watch this video until this time, it's really easy for you to answer these questions. So the answer is true. Yeah, so when you have opportunity to work in Japan and then you would like to mention your like appreciation to the other customers, please use these phrases and then other person feel really happy. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you would like to know more about like a Japanese phrases or words and would like to talk about with the native speakers, please don't forget to check the website of the like a Japanese pod 101.com. You can get a free account from there, and then you definitely can get the so many like sentences or like phrases. And then thank you very much. Bye bye.